Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So before we start into this class, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. May this year bring new happiness and your all goals and achievements, and it should bring lot of inspirations on your life. Yes, so a very happy new year 2021 for every one of us. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn something very interesting about animals. So yes, animals are also one of the important living organisms which is present in our earth. Yes, so why do animals need to survive? So to maintain the but to balance our environment, even animals are also important, right? And how they are surviving. Like humans, animals need shelter and food, and there is a way to get around and protection from other enemies. Yes, there are special features for their survival, right? So here we are going to see about their what are the types of animal first, then where animals live and what they eat, and what are the adaptations they do follow to protect themselves, and then which are the animals are in danger. So we are going to see all that. So in the first topic we are going to see about we are just types of animals. So animals can be categorizing into two groups mainly. Okay, based on the presence of a backbone, it is being categorizing into two groups. One is animals with backbone, that is called with backbone, that is called vertebrates, and without backbone, that is that they do not have any backbone, they are called invertebrates. So if you see here, starfish doesn't have any backbone, but this is the dinosaur's backbone. So you can see there are difference in the backbone presence, right? Yes. So in this, first you can see here invertebrates and vertebrates. So as I said you, they do not have backbones, like insects and then mosquito. All types of insects are the examples of invertebrates. Okay, even cockroaches and worms and many slug and snail. Okay, all are mosquitoes, butterflies, all are examples of invertebrates. Okay, it is vertebrates. Vertebrates are nothing, they do have a backbone. Okay, and fish. Okay, whatever fish we have in our food, also you can see there are small sting like thing is there, right? That is called, that is a bone of a fish, right? And amphibians again you can remember the frog. Okay, and reptiles. So reptiles means whichever they can, like lizard and all reptile, right? So birds, mammals, they all are having vertebrae, they all are having backbone, so they are called vertebrates. Okay, when we talk about invertebrates, all the insects are a very good example for invertebrates. Here all the insects are having 6 legs and their body is being divided into 3 different parts. Okay, first one is head and thorax and abdomen. Okay, head is the head portion, thorax means in between portion, abdomen is the stomach portion. Okay, and most one more very important feature, all these insects are having little bit type of hard outer covering. Okay, if you see the cockroach, if you see next time, you can just note down that is like a plastic type of thing. Okay, it is like plastic, but it's actually not, it's not a plastic, it is a type of the material is like that only. So they are that hard outer covering material are called chitin, understand? And then few insects like mosquitoes and butterflies, they are able to fly very well, right? As they are disturbing us, am I right? Yes. So some of the vertebrates here you can see fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, they all are based on the presence of the backbone, they can be differentiated. Yes, just to see this fish. Okay, so fishes all are having, they all live in the water. How do they breathe? You all know they will breathe through the gills, right? And they are having the fins to swim, am I right? So they are having the tail to change the direction, they'll use their tails, understand? So this you can see here, cod, fish, mackerel and shark, everyone, all these are comes under the fish category, right? They are large variety of animals which is there inside the water. Okay, so the next one you can see amphibians. Amphibians in the sense the animals which are able to live both on land as well as in water. So they do breathe through their lungs, and then their skin is like it is moisturizing skin they have. Okay, they are having some of the holes in it, so through the moist skin only they are able to breathe. Okay, even they have lungs also. Okay, so these are examples of amphibians are frog, toad and newt. All these are the examples of amphibians. Understand? So the next one is reptiles. Okay, reptiles, as I said you already, lizard, snake, all crocodile, these all are called reptiles, right? They are having scaly skin, okay, and they are able to they are just living, some of the animals mainly living on land, right? But if you talk about amphibians, crocodile is also one of the amphibian, right? But here they all are able to, they are having the little type of a rough skin, okay, scaly skin they are having, and they'll reproduce, they'll just give their young ones by laying eggs. Understand? Here you should know one more thing. All the reptiles what we are what I said you now, and then amphibians and the fishes, they are like they are called other name cold blooded animals. It means their body temperature changes with the change, if the temperature of our room is very hot, then their body temperature also will get into change. Understand? So that is why they are called cold blooded animals. Understand? So next one we can see about reptiles. Okay, so you can see here snakes all are having scaly skins, right? And they also again they'll give reproduce by laying eggs. Am I right? So the next one is birds. Yes. So the next one is about birds. Okay. So birds are nothing. Birds are actually having a light body. Okay. You all learnt about the birds already, right? They are actually having light feathers in it. Am I right? So that is why we can say this. They are having a streamlined body. They are able to easily fly away. Am I right? So some of the birds are not able to fly. That I'll tell you in the next topic. Okay, 1 minute. Yes. So you can see here these birds are just flying inside the just flying away, and by using their wings, right? And by using their feet and claws, they can easily capture on the particular stand on the particular place, right? So lot of birds are some of the birds are not flying. Lot of birds are able to fly, but the birds which cannot able to fly, they are called flightless birds, because they are not having, their body weight is very heavy. But if you see these birds, they are able to fly. They are not, they are like usually, okay, they are like usually fly away from one place to the other place. Okay, so if you see this penguin and ostrich and all, their body weight itself is so heavy. This ostrich is the fastest running bird in the world, right? And this penguin, they all are having lot of weight, body weight. That is why they are not able to fly. Other crow, sparrow, eagle, lovebirds, all the birds will fly, right? So these birds we can say it as flightless birds. Okay, next one, the fifth one of the type of animal in the vertebrate category, we can say mammals. So all these fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals at last, all these five are vertebrates. You all know that because they all are having backbone, right? So these mammals are a group of animals. They are also giving the birth to their young ones. Understand? So except some of the animals like platypus and then anteater, they both are not just giving the birth to their babies, and all the other animals are giving birth to their young ones, right? And they do breathe through the lungs, as well as they are having four limbs. They are having four limbs. If you imagine cow, they are, you can see the four limbs, right? And how the cow will give the birth to the young ones, it gives the birth to the calf, right? And they are having the suckle portion here, so the place where we get the milk, right? That is called suckle. Through that only they will be getting the milk from their mother. Understand? And there are all these mammals are having four limbs. Understand? And the next one, these birds and the mammals, these both animals are called warm-blooded animals. Just how we said reptiles, amphibians and the fishes are cold-blooded animals, same way birds and mammals are called warm-blooded animals. So you can remember, W is for mammals, blood is for birds. You can say warm blooded animals, because they mean their body temperature remains constant. Even the change, if there is any change happening in the particular temperature of the room or else in an area environment also, they doesn't change any change their temperature. Okay, they are constant. So that is why these animals are called warm blooded animals. And you know something, we human beings are also comes under this mammals category. Okay, because we give a birth to the young ones. Yes, you born from your mom's stomach only, right? Same way, this you can see some of the elephant, all the animals, horse, cow, lion, tiger, all they are called warm blooded animals. Thank you so much, children. We'll see in the next topic.